how you can stop someone spamming on your Discord server. It can get quite annoying when someone spams your server with messages and whatnot. So, to avoid that, you can do something, but it needs to be your server. You need to be the owner of the server. So, let's just see what you can do. First, open up the server on Android Discord. After you do so, click on the gear icon right beside General. After you click there, if you scroll down a bit, you will see the slow-mo mode. Now, what you need to do here is you can set a timer of 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and till 6 hours. Now, what this does is after you've set it to 5 seconds, you can only send messages in 5 seconds. So if I've sent a message right now, I can again only send messages after the 5 seconds. Now this goes same for the 10 seconds and 15 seconds and till the 6 hours option. So that is how I do it, guys. Thank you for watching.